Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, 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 welcome. My name is Select Kalio, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, we do skincare DIY recipes, we do skincare product reviews. I teach you how to grow your own skincare business and also how you can start your own YouTube channel and thrive at it. Now, if any of what I have mentioned is something that you would love to do or you're interested in, please definitely give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you will become one of the Flawless Skincare Gang members. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a super effective whitening cream that will give you at least 3 shades to your complexion, and this product works within a week. Now, I know that there are a lot of videos out there that tells you, oh, this will give you 3 shades lighter in 1 week. This particular product is none like you have seen before. Now, I sell all the ingredients that have been mentioned in this video, and I'm going to leave one particular ingredient. I'm going to show you, but I'm going to omit. I'm not going to mention that ingredient. If you want to know what that ingredient is, that is one of the most effective actives that you can add in your skincare formulation. Now, if you want to know what that ingredient is, you definitely want to buy your skincare products on ingredients from me. I sell all the ingredients that I have shown you on this channel, and also the ones that you have looked for everywhere in Nigeria and you can't find it. Come to me. I have everything. I have organic skincare ingredients, I have promixing ingredients. I also have my own products that I have made to help boost your products. So if you want to buy any of your ingredients, definitely send me a message on WhatsApp and I will attend to your orders, as I attend to your orders personally, so you don't have anything to worry about. So definitely send me a message on WhatsApp. I will attend to you, and then if you buy something more than 20,000 naira, I will give you an obonge recipe that will bring customers running helter skelter to you for free. And that recipe, I sell that recipe, just one of the recipes, just the cream. I sell just the cream for 50,000 naira, and I sell the set, the recipe for the face cream, body cream, scrub and all of that. I sell the set at 120,000 naira. I'm going to be giving it to you for free as far as you're buying your ingredients from me. I don't know what you're waiting for. If I were you, I would head over to my Instagram. It's linked down in the description bar. My phone number is also in the description bar. Make sure you hit me up on WhatsApp, order your products, and then be on your way to becoming your own millionaire. Yes, skincare business can give you millions of naira or millions of dollars or whatever country you're from. Definitely rush to get this recipe, because I'm going to be giving this recipe to a limited number of people, so you want to definitely be among the first people to get this recipe. Be on your way to getting a flawless glowing skin. If you're going to be selling it, be on your way to having so many customers that you won't even be able to attend to all of them. You will see results in as little as 1 week. Yes, as little as 1 week. It will give you a flawless result. Now, if you're interested in seeing this recipe that I'm going to be showing you in this video, you definitely want to watch this video to the end, because I'm not going to be leaving any ingredients in the description bar. You want to watch this video to the end if you want to get all the ingredients and their measurements, except the recipe, except the secret ingredients that I'm going to be giving to all the people who buy their skincare ingredients or materials from me. Now, without any further ado, let's definitely jump into the video. So like I said earlier, we're going to be making a promixing method of our super whitening body cream, and this cream is going to give you at least 3 shades to your normal complexion. So here I'm just trying to measure out my base,
And I'm using my whitening base. This base is available for sale. So if you want to make this recipe and you want to get exactly this base, send me a message on WhatsApp and I will send it to you wherever you are. It's very, very affordable. See how thick and creamy this base is. That's how all our creams are. So I'm just measuring my base into my mixing bowl, and I'm using my base at 50%, which is 300 grams. We're making a 600 grams batch. So I'm mixing my base, or I'm making my base in 50%, and 50% is 300 grams of base cream. Now if you want to learn how you can convert your percentages into grams, you want to get our ebook. The ebook comes with a video that teaches you how to convert recipes to grams and properly write out a cosmetic recipe. Now moving on, I'm going to be measuring in my other ingredients. So now I'm adding my whitening booster. This whitening booster is superb. It is good for any kind of cream that you want to make. You can incorporate it in your creams, in your lotions, for your face cream. You can also add it in your scrubs. You can add it in your soaps. It is really, really nice. And this whitening booster is available for sale. So if you would like to get this, send me a message on WhatsApp using the WhatsApp link down below, or send me a message directly using my phone number in the description bar. Now I am adding my whitening oil. Remember, this is a pro-mixed method, so I'm adding my whitening oil, and I'm adding that at 10%, which is 60 grams. Now here I'm adding my famous Latino milk. This Latino milk is my all-time favorite product to add to my creams. I also have this for sale. If you would want to get this, send me a message on Instagram. Send me a message on WhatsApp to get this Latino milk. And I'm adding that at 10%. And also, I'm going to be adding some whitening powders. So I'm using my Seppi white powder, and I'm also using my niacinamide powder for this recipe. And I'm also going to be using my very famous secret ingredient, which, like I said, you'll have to buy an ingredient from us at least worth 20,000 naira to get the full recipe on this of this video. So this is my secret ingredient that I'm adding to this recipe. If you want to get this, like I said, send me a message, get ingredients, and you will get a free full recipe for a flawless whitening cream, which will give you results in less than 7 days. Now I have measured out my whitening powders in 2 different bowls, which is one contains my water soluble powder and the other one contains my oil soluble powder. So I have measured out my ingredients into my bowls, and I'm going to melt them and then go ahead to pour them into my base that I have already measured out and other ingredients, and just mix them together. I'm sorry, I didn't know I wasn't filming. I didn't film up to the point where I mixed everything together. So basically that's all I added, and I just went ahead to use my hand mixer to mix everything together. Now in this bowl I have my niacinamide and my other secret ingredient, and in the other bowl I have my Seppi white powder. which I'm going to melt and then incorporate into my base and mix everything together.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope that the recipe that you have seen, you liked it. If you like it, definitely hit the subscribe button so you will become a member of the family, and also hit the thumbs up button if you like this content, and then hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time there's a new upload coming from me. Now, like I said earlier, if you want to get this free recipe, definitely leave me a message in the in my comment, or send me a message on WhatsApp and I will attend to you. All you have to do is send me a list of products that you want to buy, and then I will also give you the free recipe. Now, even if you don't know what you want to buy, you can send me a message as far as you're buying something. So basically, because I know how human beings are, basically you will have to pay for your product first before I give you the recipe, the free recipe. Now, all you have to do is send me a message on WhatsApp listing all the ingredients that you want to buy, and if you have a particular problem that you want to solve, you can go ahead to ask me the question in my WhatsApp. Don't call me, just send me the message. Just send me a WhatsApp message stating what you want to treat or what you want to achieve with the product that you want to formulate, and I will help you choose ingredients that will best give you the best result. I have products that will boost your cream. Even if you're not making your creams from scratch, you're using this for personal use, I have products that will help boost the whitening effect of your cream and give you the result that you want. If you haven't gotten my ebook, I don't know what you're waiting for. My ebook is all the skincare formulation training that you want to have. It is packed with so much knowledge. I have so many reviews. I'm going to leave some pictures up here for you guys to see on reviews that people have been bringing in on my ebook. Now, if you haven't gotten my ebook, you're on a long thing. Go use the link in the description bar to shop my ebook. If you have any issues, send me a WhatsApp message. Maybe I can help you resolve your purchase issues. Just send me a message on WhatsApp if you can't use the link, and you can buy them directly from me on WhatsApp. These are some of the reviews that I have gotten, and you too can give me your own review when you buy your ebook. Now, you want to definitely get this ebook. It is 5,000 naira. By the end of this month, I don't know if I'm going to still sell it at 5,000 naira. So you want to definitely hurry up to buy this ebook if you haven't gotten it already. Thanks to everyone who has gotten my ebook and has been sending me feedbacks and telling me how the ebook has helped them. I'm very grateful and I'm very thankful that I was able to impact you with the knowledge that I have gotten. So if you want to get your own, definitely send me a message and you will be on your way to becoming your own skincare boss. Now, I don't want this video to be too long. If you haven't subscribed at this point, I don't know what exactly you're waiting for. Definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time there's a new upload coming from me. Hit the comment, leave a comment in the comment section, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on my next video.